来看水中运动哦，伫澳洲是愈来愈受到欢迎。一寡烦恼讲，脚头舞会着伤的高龄族群哦，会来做这款运动。那多市向庄脚所在嘛，拢真受到欢迎。有人就形容讲，特别真做是澳洲的全民运动咯。
Keep it going, everyone! Come on!
教练热情带动上课气氛，学员伫游泳池内底对教练的动作训练，拿打水、拿举细肌教练。这是澳洲东南部的小镇伦马克一款水中游泳的课程，学员当中有真侪老人。
So it just gives you stability and friendship and a bit of a laugh.
研究显示，水中的阻力是陆地15倍，而且水中运动唔但会当消除压力，佮会当加强身体柔软度，真适合关节受伤或者是较只偏无爽快的人做。热情了后，真受到澳洲人的欢迎。
Pre-COVID, everything was around a 50% attendance mark, and now you're looking overall around the 82 across the board.
疫情过后的时代，大家愈来愈重视健康，真侪城市的水中运动课程拢是客满。这个流行也影响到庄脚地区。巴莫拉郊区的民众为着治关节炎，走来洗车要半点钟的伦马克小镇参加水中游泳的课程。
Although we live just out of Barmera, we don't mind the travel because the benefits outweigh.
And it's not just looking at cardiovascular fitness or strength or balance. It's looking at mental health and well-being and having a purpose and catching up with people.
根据澳洲皇家救生协会统计，目前全国约8成游泳池拢有开相关的课程，嘛有愈来愈侪青年投入，那就已经变做澳洲的全民运动。公司新闻电为人编译。